Nu är vi uppe på toppen av Vancouver kan man säga. Mount Seymour som vi ska åka i idag. Vi får säsongskort här så de ska vi gå och hämta nu.
In the service of the world.
We have a season's pass.
They're the ones that Mark Bernardo.
They get a season's
Of the wilderness. There were no secrets at all, no hidden sparks behind the wall, no secret feelings under shawls, only true love. There were no tricky games to play with you, only open hearts and words of true. But that wasn't enough to get you through the summer. 'Cause love and honesty isn't enough. If you can't still feel me when you're by yourself, then you have to...
Ja, Kanada, det är långt norrut så jag tog med mig tumvantarna för jag trodde det skulle vara kallt, men det är ju inte. Men dunjacka och tumvantar det behövs inte för jag har ganska perfekt väder faktiskt.
In the rain we didn't try to dry the wet. We danced and jumped over puddles, doing pirouettes. After moments spent together, never any regrets. Until the summer, in the college bed.
Fy fan vad coolt!